In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and create Wix Blog menu categories. Whether you're setting up your blog for the first time or organizing an existing one, I'll walk you through everything you need to know so your readers can find content quickly and easily. First, make sure the Wix Blog app is installed. From your Wix dashboard, open the site you want to work on, then head to the app market on the left. Search for Wix Blog and choose Add to Site. Give it a few moments to install. This adds the blog structure and makes categories available across your pages. If you already see the blog in your site's left panel, you're good to go. Next, go back to your site's main dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Blog, then select Categories. This is your control center for organizing topics. Everything you set here will shape how your blog menu appears to visitors and how posts are grouped behind the scenes. To create a new category, click plus New Category. Type in a clear, descriptive category name like Art or Technology. You'll also see options for category label and slug. The label is what appears to visitors in the menu, so keep it short and readable. The slug controls how the category looks in the URL, which can help with search visibility. For example, a technology label might use a simple slug like tech. When you're happy, click Save. Your new category is now ready to be used whenever you write or edit a post. If you want a main menu item that helps organize groups of topics, look for Add Header Category in the category's dashboard. A header category is perfect for higher level grouping, making it easier for visitors to scan your blog by theme. Keep header names short and intuitive so people know exactly what they'll find. To refine the order of your menu, drag and drop categories in the list. Put your most important or most visited topics first to guide readers where you want them to go. To update any category, click its name, adjust the details, and hit Save. Small tweaks to names and labels can make a big difference in clarity. Finally, open settings within the blog section to control how categories appear on your live site. Use Preview to check the layout before making it public. Look at both desktop and mobile views to ensure the category menu is visible, clean, and logically organized. That's it. With these steps, your Wix blog menu categories will be structured, easy to navigate, and ready for your content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.